students, welcome back to the class. Now students, after discussing the perimeter of some regular and irregular shape, today we are going to discuss the word problems related to the perimeter of different shapes. So in perimeter, if we take a revision, we have discussed the perimeter of three different regular shapes, that is a square, a rectangle and a triangle. Apart from this, we can also find the perimeter of any rectilinear figure just by adding all the given sides. Right students? So now today let us discuss some word problems which I have taken from your book exercise. And the first question says, a park is in the shape of two equal triangles as shown in the figure. Find out the perimeter of the park. So the park is made up of two equal triangles and dimension of all the sides, that means the measure of each side is given to us. We have to find the total perimeter of this complete park, which includes two equal triangles. So let's see what are the things given to us and how to do its solution. So very first, for the triangle, since both the triangles are of equal measure, so you can just write it as for triangle. If the triangles were of two different measures, then we could have taken as triangle 1 and triangle 2. Right students? So now for triangle, what is the measure of the three sides? Side A is equals to 4 meter, side B 5 meter and side C again 4 meter. So if we talk about these two triangles, the side measures are same, 4 meter, 5 meter, 4 meter, 4 meter, 5 meter, 4 meter. Okay. Now after that, the total perimeter of the park. So the total perimeter of the park, what it is equals to? Is it equals to perimeter of these two triangles? Yes, because we have to measure its outer boundary. So now the perimeter of two triangles. So that means 2 times the perimeter of any of the triangle. Why I have written 2 times the perimeter of the triangle? Reason, because both the triangles are of equal measures. Right students? Now in the next step, 2 times the perimeter of triangle. What is the formula for perimeter of triangle? So yes, it is A, side A plus side B plus side C. In the next step, let's put the value of A, B and C. Side A 4 meter, side B 5 meter and side C again 4 meter. 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 4, 13. So it is 2 multiplied by 13 meter and 13 twos are 26 meters. So the total perimeter of the park, which contains two equal triangles, is 26 meter. This is how you can find the perimeter of any given figure. Clear students? Let's come to the second question. In the second question, you have to find a path is to be made around a park whose shape is that of an equilateral triangle. So what is given to us? There is a park which is in the shape of an equilateral triangle. So let's suppose this is our park. I am giving it name park. So this is our park in the shape of an equilateral triangle as given in the question. Now each side of the park is 35 meters. Since it is an equilateral triangle, means all its sides will be equal. So all the sides are of 35 meter each. Clear? So this is our path. Now what is said? We have to make a path all around the park. So basically we have to prepare a path all around. So this outer boundary, on this outer boundary we are planning to prepare a path to walk. So find the cost of making the path at the rate of rupees 70 per meter. So very first we will be calculating that what is the total length of this outer boundary, that means the path. So if I name it as ABC, like suppose it is an equilateral triangle and I have given it name ABC. So very first to find the cost of making the path, very first we have to calculate what is the total length of the path around the triangular park. So once again, if we begin the solution like this, so very first, what are the dimensions? Very first we will write that. So for the triangle, since it is an equilateral triangle, so side is equals to 35 meter each. So that is an equal side A which is of 35 meter. After that, as I told you that we have to calculate the total length of the path. It means the perimeter of the triangle. So in the next step you can write the total length of the path is equals to perimeter of equilateral triangle. So what is the perimeter of equilateral triangle? Yes students, we have discussed it is 3 into side. So it is 3 multiplied by side A. What is A equals to? A is equals to 35 meter. So it is 3 into 35 meters. Now we will multiply 35 with 3. So that will be 105 meter. Correct? 35 3s are 105. So this is the total length of the path which we are going to make all around the triangular path. But at the same time you also have to find its cost. That means how much it will cost to us to prepare the path if the rate is rupees 70 per meter. That means if the makers or you can say the laborers are charging 70 rupees for 1 meter of path. Okay students? So in that case the cost of making path, or you can say cost of making 1 meter path, the laborers are charging rupees 70. It's charges rupees 70. So in that case, how much we have to prepare? We have to prepare for 105 meter. So in that case, the cost of making 105 meter path, it is equals to rupees 70 multiplied by 105. So now when you will multiply this 105 into 70, you will get 7350. So what is the total cost for making 105 meter of path? 7350 at the rate of rupees 70 for 1 meter of the path. Clear students? So here in this question, very first the side was given. We have calculated its perimeter and then calculated the cost of making the path around the triangular park. I hope this second solution is also clear to all of you. Coming to the third question. In the third question, a carpet 6 meter 20 centimeter long and 3 meter 40 centimeter broad. So what is given to us? A carpet. So just because in this carpet it is given 6 meter 20 centimeter long and 3 meter 40 centimeter broad. So what is the shape of the carpet? Just because there is length and breadth, it is rectangular in shape. So if I draw the figure for this carpet, so let's suppose it is in the, so the carpet is in the rectangular shape. So the length of the carpet is 6 meter and 20 centimeter. The breadth of the carpet is 3 meter 40 centimeter. 3 meter 40 centimeter. So if I begin the solution, so in the solution very first we will write what are the things given to us. So very first let's write the dimension of the carpet. So for carpet, the length is 6 meter 20 centimeter and breadth is 3 meter 40 centimeter. Clear? Now, what is being said? This carpet of length 6 meter 20 centimeter and breadth 3 meter 40 centimeter is bounded by a tape. What we have to do? We have to bound it. That means we have to peg this carpet by a tape all around the carpet. How much tape is needed? Very first, it is being asked that how much tape is required to bound that carpet all around. So very first, for finding the length of the tape required, we have to calculate the perimeter of the carpet. So this is our carpet. So here the length of the tape required is actually equals to perimeter of rectangle. Why perimeter of rectangle? Because this carpet is in the shape of a rectangle. What is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? Twice length plus breadth. Clear? Twice length plus breadth. Now it's time to put the length and breadth value here. So that will be twice 6 meter 20 centimeter plus 3 meter 40 centimeter. In the next step, we will be adding these two values. So what will be our answer? 40 plus 20 is 60 centimeter and 6 plus 3, 9 meter. So adding the two values, we get 9 meter 60 centimeter. In the next step, we will multiply the value now. When you will multiply this value, you will get 19 meter and 20 centimeter. So this is the total length of the tape required to bound the carpet all around. 19 meter, 20 centimeter. So till now we have calculated the length of the tape required, but at the same time there is one more thing attached here. Find out the cost of the tape at the rate of rupees 3 per meter. Also you have to find the cost of the tape which we are putting all around the carpet. And what is the cost? The cost of the tape is given to us rupees 3 for 1 meter. So for 1 meter of tape we have to pay rupees 3. So in that case, how much we have to pay for 19 meter and 20 centimeter of the tape? So in that case, your next statement will be cost of 1 meter tape is equals to rupees 3. It is given in the question that for 1 meter of tape we have to pay rupees 3. Now, since we have to find the cost for 19 meter 20 centimeter, so we can write cost of 19.20 meter tape. So here now 19 meter 20 centimeter, I have converted this into its decimal form so that we can write 19.20 meter. And the cost will be rupees 3 multiplied by 19.20. When you will multiply 19.20 with 3, what you will get here is 57.60. So that is the total cost of the tape required for bounding the rectangular carpet all around. So we have done two parts in this. Very first we have calculated the length of the tape by calculating the perimeter of the rectangular carpet, and after that we have calculated the cost of the tape by multiplying it with 3 because it is the cost per meter. So that gives us rupees 57.60 paise. So I hope these questions related to perimeter of the shapes is clear to all of you. Kindly go through your book exercise and complete the questions in your notebook. Thank you for the lesson, students. Have a great day.